Yeah, hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSC. Already in the first video I uploaded, second video I uploaded exercise 4.1, and the second Roman everything was a situational problem. For this year all the situation problem in this chapter is deleted, so those topics no need to prepare for your exams for this academic. So let's get into the exercise 4.2 now. So here we have first question: find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. So finding the roots, there are three methods as I explained in the second chapter. First method is the factorization method, second method we have completing the square method, and third method we have quadratic formula. So first exercise we will learn how to find out the roots using factorization. Okay, so we know the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Your a value, b, a, b, c are the constant value. Your value of a nothing means there will be a 1, and this is the coefficient of b of 3, and constant c value we have 10. So whenever you get coefficient of x square value 1 model, if more than 1 when you get that, you have to multiply with the constant term. That step you have to remember. Okay, so let's apply diamond rule for this. Let's take your minus 10, and coefficient of b value let's take your down. So here we have to do multiplication and here we have to do addition. Just remember this is the one small trick. Now write all the possible factors. Actually this method is called splitting the middle term method. Okay, so split the middle term so that the product will get 10 and the addition you will get minus 3. So the possible factors for 10, 5 2s are 10 or 10 1s are 10. See, 5 1 to 5 2s are, when you multiply you will get 10. Okay, and 5 minus 2 will get 3. So somewhere you have to put minus, put the greatest number minus here. Then you see minus 5 into plus 2 you will get minus 10. The same thing, minus 5 plus 2 will get minus 3. See, when you multiply you should get the constant term. When you add the same factor you must get the coefficient of b value. So this is the suitable factor now. Okay, now let's split. Means the middle term you can split in this way. Then let's take your x square. Middle term can be written as minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now from this 2, see here x square, here 5x. So let's take 1x common outside, then remaining x minus 5. Remember, first bracket whatever you get, second bracket also you must get same only. Now in this there is no x common, so let's take 2 as a common outside. If you take plus 2 as a common outside, x, 10 how many times second table? 5 times. See, in the first bracket, second bracket you got equal to 0. Now take x minus 5 common outside. If you take that, remaining here x, here remaining is plus 2. So you got two factors now. Apply each factor equal to 0. Apply each factor equal to 0. Then you will get x minus 5 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. Then x is equal to 5, here x equal to minus 2. So therefore the roots are 5 comma minus 2. This out finding the factors already we learned in the second chapter. There we call factors or zeros. In this chapter we call roots. That's the difference. So let's move to the question number 2. See here in the question number 2, the coefficient of x square more than 1 is there. If you are getting coefficient of x square value more than 1, you have to multiply it to the constant term. Then 2 6 you will get minus 12 is the constant now. Now coefficient of x value here 1. Now write all the possible factors for 12. 4 3s are 12, 6 2s are, or 12 1s are. Now when you multiply you should get 12. When you add or subtract, when you add you will get 1. So this is the suitable factors. Then apply minus for 3. Then you see 4 into minus 3 you will get minus 12. Then here 4 minus 3 you will get plus 1. So the suitable factor is 4 comma minus 3. So we can write this now. 2x square. This x can be written as, means we can split like plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Now from this 2 you can take 2x common outside, 1x plus 1 2 will be there. Here if you take 3 common outside, x plus 2 equal to 0. Just multiply and check it whether you are getting the previous term or not. 2 x into x, x square, 2 2s are 4, 4x. Now minus into plus minus, 3 into x, 3x, minus into plus minus, 3 2s are 6. So that common factor what you are taking is correct. Now take x plus 2 as a common outside. If you take x plus 2 common outside, from this we have your remaining 2x. Your remaining we have minus 3 equal to 0. So apply each factor equal to 0, 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then your x value minus 2, your 2x minus 3 opposite plus, so x equal to 3 by 2. So therefore the roots are minus 2 comma 3 by 2. Hope that you understand. If any doubt, please watch next question, you can understand. Let's move. So here we have one little different question with a square root. So here also the coefficient of x square is more than 1. Let's multiply to the constant term. So when you multiply root 2 into root 2, root 2 will become root 2 whole square. 5 root 2 whole square, square and root cancel, then remaining 5 2s are 10. So you will get your 10. Now coefficient of x value 7. Write the possible factors of 10. 5 2s are or 10 1s are. Here we have to do multiplication, here is addition. So suitable factor is this only. 5 2s are 10. Here when you add the same, you will get the 7. Okay. So let's write now. So root 2 x square, that 7x can be split like 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now from these two, see what can we take common outside. Before here, because since we have a square root 2, so 2 can be written like this, can be written root 2 into root 2, because we know root 2 into root 2 whole square, square root cancel means 2. So 2 can be written in this form to take the common outside. So 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. Now 1 root 2 and x you take common outside. So 1x, here you have root 2x. Now if you take your 5 common outside, x plus root 2. Okay. So here x will not be there because x already we have taken here. Only this. Now x plus root 2 you take common outside from this. Okay. X plus root 2 if you take common outside, remaining you have your root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Apply each factor equal to 0 and you will get the x value. X plus root 2 equal to 0. One more, root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus root 2, here x equal to plus 5 opposite minus 5, multiplication root 2 opposite division. So therefore the roots are minus root 2 comma minus 5 by root 2. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the next question. So again here we have a little different question, means it is in a fraction model, that's fine. So whenever you get fraction model, you have to convert into the standard form of quadratic equation. Just cross multiply, take the denominator one and cross multiply, then you will get 16x square minus 8x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Either LCM or cross multiplication. So take opposite, then 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. 0 into 8 will become 0. Now again coefficient of x square value 16. So it is second model. Just multiply to the constant. Okay. Coefficient of b value u. multiplication, here we are taking addition. So write the possible factors of 16. 4 4s are 16, 8 2s are 16. Now which one is a suitable factor? When you multiply you have to get 16. When you add the same thing you should get the 8. So here minus minus, when you apply minus 4 into minus 4 you will get plus 16, and here you will get minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 8. So suitable factor is this. So we can apply now 16x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. So the middle term we can split in this way. To select this way only we are using this rule. This is called the diamond rule. Now take the common factor outside. 4x, if you take common out, 4x minus 1. Here you can take plus 1 common outside. If you take 1 outside, remaining you have your 4x minus 1. Okay, so just check it out once again whether the minus or plus. Plus into plus, plus, your minus should come, so take your minus 1, then minus, and minus into minus will become plus. So now you take 4x minus 1 common outside. 4x minus 1, if you take common outside, remaining here we have 4x, here we have minus 1 equal to 0. So apply each factor equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 by 4. Here x equal to 1 by 4. So therefore the roots are 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. See, sometime you will get two equal roots, sometime you will get two different roots. So that's common only. Hope that you understand this. If any doubt, please put it in the comment section. And thank you so much for watching.